Welcome to today's video. Awesome are slamming my car. Awesome GTI are lowering the car today on K&W Variant 1 suspension, and I am so excited to see what it looks like when it's done. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy some crazy artsy motor and goodness. I'll see you in a minute.
Workshops getting empty and getting clean, which is fantastic. So we've got a little video today. We've got Harry Mayne in the building. Don't know if any of you guys know Harry Mayne. I'm sure a lot of you do. Quite a famous BMX guy. He well into his bikes and well into his cars. Harry Mayne's been a customer of ours for many years. Haven't seen him for a while, so it's nice to have him back in the building. But here we are with his Golf R. I've seen this car, I believe is running, I think it might be running Revo Stage 2. Saw a video with it with pops and bangs. Here he is. Let's bring him into the Revo Stage 2.
I'm not sure. Yeah, it is. Revo Stage 2.
So this is Harry. So yeah, we've got his car in today. We're going to be taking away the gap. Yeah, lowering her down a little bit.
The anxiety gap. The arch gap. We don't like it.
So definitely not, and I think it'll look stunning when it's done. So we've gone with a KW Variant 1.
I'm excited. I'm really happy. I have had once before off you guys, K&W V3.
Yeah.
Once upon a time, so I'm super excited to get back onto K&W.
So we've got no dampering adjustability in this V1, but we've got the height adjustable. Where you want it? Where you want it to
as
sit.
low as it'll go.
Right.
Slam it.
Without
slam it.
catching.
I want to make every mountain bike rider cringe when I pull into the mountain bike park.
Let's go and have a look at the car. Come over. So what else have you done on the car?
I've done a few little exterior bits and pieces, carbon bits.
Just seen you've done the paddles.
Yeah, done the paddles. That was pretty hard. And then wheels. I got a bit of a hook up for the wheels. And then
what wheels are these?
Bowler FLF. Pretty lightweight ones. They've only just come out like a week or so ago, I think. Pretty
nice.
Cool. Obviously the Michelin PS4S tyres.
Yes.
Hoping to do it.
Essential.
Yeah, you got to do that. I've never actually been bothered about me rubber ever until I got into mountain bike riding. And when I got into the mountain bike side of things, I noticed the difference between tyres on the mud and the wet, and I thought, I've got to put good tyres on.
Well, we've just done exactly the same. I mean, to be fair, as a company many years ago, we weren't that really bothered about the tyres. People know that we've tested some, I'm not going to go into the makes, but we've been running on our RS6 C8, the Pirellis, and we were driving that car in a little bit of anger on Sunday, and we went straight down yesterday, changing it to the Michelins.
They look nice outside. So, 22s.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, and slightly lowered as well. So.
Yeah. Sweet, man.
Yeah, good. Right, so we're going to bring you a little bit more on this as the car goes on. I think you're here doing your own little...
Are you going to ride me BMX for the video? Are you going to ride me BMX for the... It's over there, look, under the stairs.
We might be bringing you a BMX ride later. That's been a few years since I've been on one, I tell you. Have you got extra inflated tyres?
I'm enjoying today, but I'm having a slight problem. The owner of Awesome will not try me BMX.
I might get on in a minute.
The pressure, yeah.
I want to see what you got. Show me how to do it.
The mic. Okay, 180. Oh yeah, on the floor. That's pretty much all I've got. Right. Live commentary. Oh, he looks pretty stable, actually. Oh, Hey, you actually look pretty comfortable. Mods coming soon. What a sport. What a sport.
How big are you next? Yeah. Right then, that's it. Car's finished. Looking sick.
Looking sick.
I think he loves it. What do you think?
Absolutely buzzing with how it looks. I haven't actually driven it yet. It's been obviously road tested by these guys, put back in the car park. So I'm going to save that reaction for my video, obviously to see how it actually drives on the road. But I'm just made up with it. I come in with a massive arch gap. You could have put a shoebox in between it, and now it just looks right. It looks perfect.
It does. It has. It's actually made it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
The only thing that I'm going to say is it's missing brakes.
It's missing big brakes. It's missing big brakes. That's got to be our next
So
project together.
we're going to have him back, and we're going to sort him out with some big brakes and probably some matching discs on the rear as well. We'll probably need to upgrade them calipers as well.
I'm excited.
Yeah, it'll be good.
Yeah.
So yeah, excellent. I think it's a great result all round. It does need a wash. Who's washing it? Are you washing it?
Every day, black car, innit?
Yeah. That's why I wrapped that, so you could just
Yeah.
you know, it takes
Wipe
away
it with
from
a
the
rag.
yeah. Right,
Cool.
guys. Thanks for tuning in. I love this car. You should take me for driving this Revo Stage 2.
Yeah, I need to do it with the
So
GoPro on.
this one's got some pops and bangs. So
Thanks
I'm
for
sure.
letting me drive. Thanks for letting me drive
Oh yeah,
the
yeah.
RS7.
Yeah, I think you preferred the BMW actually than the RS6.
He is telling the truth. It is the truth.
So look out for his video coming up. Wow, it's windy out here.
Yeah, it
Look
is.
out for his video coming out with him driving the M2 and getting a little sideways action. Yeah, it's been good. Thanks for coming in today. I really
It's harder
appreciate
than
it.
people think, isn't it? Filming videos.
Yes.
It's harder than people think, isn't it?
It's like talking on them. Right. I'm getting
Peace
out of here.
out.
I'm getting out of here.
Thanks,
Should we
thanks.
turn the camera on him?
Thanks, mate.
Thank you. Hang on, let's just turn the camera on him.
Ah.
Right, and another thing, right? He's been itching to be underneath the car and doing some work on the car, but you haven't got
true.
you haven't got a place at the moment to be able to do that. So what we've said is next time, whenever he wants to come in, there's a ramp with his name on there. We'll get it put up on the ramp. We'll
Sounds
supervise, make sure, but we're going to leave you to it.
Yeah.
And we're going to let you tinker with
Get
the car
on
and do some modifications. So
Nice.
you really need to tune in for that on his channel and make sure that that's going to be something special.
Yeah, it'll be sick.
Spanner slips, be falling over and smacking him in the head. It would be absolutely fantastic. So good
Nice
stuff.
one. Appreciate it. Peace out.